that issue?
I think we'll pass a bill just exactly like Arizona passed. Matter of fact, my television ad started last night on this issue in particular, because I think that the bill that Dolores Gresham passed in the state Senate requiring citizenship to be checked when you stop someone when they can't prove citizenship, send that into ICE, is about all we can do. It's up to the federal government to enforce most of these, but we can keep from being a sanctuary here in the state of Tennessee.
Now, can you elaborate a little bit in some specifics? What's the big deal? Yeah, it's illegal immigration, but why is that so wrong?
I mean, for somebody to say what's the big deal about illegal is absolutely amazing to me. Either something's legal or it's illegal. It's a cut and dried. We're talking about the law here. We're talking about the way our nation was formed with legal immigrants coming in. So it is a big deal. When anything, the word illegal is in front of anything, it's a big deal.
Is the problem that they're taking away jobs from Tennesseans?
The problem is they're jumping to the front of the line. Everybody that comes to the United States has to abide by the rules and follow the rules. If you want to become a citizen here in the United States, there is a way to do that. And when people don't like people who jump to the front of the line and try to get the jobs, get whatever that might be, but it's gone way past that. Keep in mind what's happening in Arizona is literally the drug cartels are coming over. They're killing police officers, killing farmers, kidnapping people, and that's what's really got people concerned. And Arizona did nothing that wasn't already in the law. I've heard just this week that California and Rhode Island have a law just like this, but for some reason the federal government's not picking on them.
Do you think children of illegal immigrants should be U.S. citizens?
That's constitutional, so I suppose if you're born in the United States, you should be a citizen as of right now. In order to change that, we need to change the Constitution. Every one of us most every one of us were the children of immigrants, and so you become a citizen when you're born in the United States. If that's something we need to change, we need to look into that, but that's constitutional right now, and that's something we need to make sure that we abide by. That's not the big problem, let me assure you. The big problem is people coming in, the drug cartels and others coming across the line.
Are we seeing that here in Tennessee, or anything to an extent?
Well, I do think that there's an illegal immigration problem here in Tennessee. Absolutely, there is. And I think when you got 10% unemployment, that just exacerbates the problem to those that are unemployed.
And do you think maybe there's some changes in how easy or difficult it is to become a citizen?
But anyway, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Do you think there should be any changes to make it possibly easier for individuals to become citizens?
That I have been looking into that, because I know my wife's grandfather came here from Norway, and we were on Ellis Island up there at one time and actually found his name there. And I really don't know, was it easier then to become a citizen? I think we ought to make the path as easy as possible to become a citizen, but at the same time make sure that they learn English, they learn our way of life. They have to pass the same constitutional things. Let's don't set up barriers to becoming citizens, but let's make sure they do follow the rules and don't jump to the front of the line.
I may have missed it, guys. I apologize. What is your